So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss the circling of a square by Baudhayana ShulbaSutra. In this method, the earlier people used to make a square and a circle with equal area in their Yagna Kund, that is in their Havan Kund. So to make the area of the square and the circle equal, they used to follow some process through which they used to find the circle having some kind of area, some sort of area whose some sort of radius whose area will be equal to the area of the square. So in that, let us see how they used to follow the methods. So in the first step, they used to write diagonal of the given square. So since the side of the square is a, so diagonal will be equals to root 2 of a, that is root 2 into a. Now the second step will be to divide this d by 2, that is d by 2. We find the half of the diagonal, so it will come out to be root 2a by 2, that will give a by root 2. Now the third step will be to subtract the half of the side from this value a by root 2. So for third step will be a by root 2 minus a by 2, that is half of the side. This is half of side. Okay, so now our fourth step will be to divide this whole by 3. So we will have a by root 2 minus a by 2 whole divided by 3. Okay, and now the next step will be to add half of the side to this number. So we will do like this: a by root 2 minus a by 2 multiplied by a by 3, and here we will now add half of the side, that is a by 2. So in this way, by following this method, they used to say that this number which we will get according to this a, now this will be the radius of the circle having the same area to that of this square. So in this by this method, they also used to find the value of pi. So let's see how they used to find. Like if the area of the circle that will be formed over here having radius r equals to this value, okay, so the area of this and this square is equal, so pi r square will be equals to a square. So we will see here a square by r square will be pi. And if we solve it more, we may write it as a by r equals to root under of pi. Okay, so now see how we can find the value of r from this place. So since we have seen that this is the value of r of the circle which will have the same area, that is this circle, so r is equals to this number. If we will write a by r, that means we will divide this whole section by a. So when we will divide this r by a, then we will get a by root 2 minus a by 2 into 1 by 3 plus a by 2 whole divided by a. So this a and a will cancel out. Okay, so in this way we will get the value of r by a as 1 plus root 2 by 3 root 2. Okay, so since we have to find the value of a by r, so we will write it as a by r is equals to 3 root 2 by 1 plus root 2. So in this way we can find the value of a by r, and we know the value of pi is a square by r square. So we will write here a square by r square is equals to 9 into 4 divided by 1 plus root 2 whole square. When we will solve this, then this will come out to be 3.088. So in this way the people find the value of pi up to 3 digit, that is 3.088. anyhow this wasn't correct up to greater extent, but in the later period they found the value of pi with much precision. Thank you very much. If you like the video, then please subscribe the channel and see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.